Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for all your support and everything over the last few days, and much appreciated. So today we're going to play around with some subroutines. So this is basic subroutines with a little bit of flow control, and we're going to use a multiplication operator as well. So without further ado, let me just knock that off here because I'm a bit pushed for space on here at the moment. So I'm going to create the first subroutine called message. I'm going to type in say, which will print something out. So I've got a message here. Hello, Joe. Hello, Joe. There. Okay. And I'm going to use this, which is going to be times 2. So it's going to print hello, Joe twice. And then I'm going to use the sleep function here. I'm going to pause it for 1 second. So that will pause it for 1 second when we say that. And then I'm going to create another function here called message2. Okay, so we're going to come down here, sub message 2. Okay, so we've got say here. I'm going to put another message. I'm okay, Joe. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I'm okay, Joe. This time we're going to times it by 10. Again, we're going to do a sleep, so we're going to give it a little pause for 1 second. And then we're going to do another subroutine called message 3. And we're going to create this subroutine down here, so sub message 3. Okay. Say, is this ever going to stop? I'm going to times that by 20. Okay, again we're going to do our little sleep, our little pause for 1 second. And we're going to head back up to message message 1. Okay, so what that's going to do, it's going to jump back to message 1. Message 1 will play out all this, print out this, give it a pause for 1 second, and then we're going to jump to message 2. Message 2 will do the same, and then we're going to jump to message 3, which is here. Message 3 will print out this message 20 times, it'll pause for 1 second, and then we'll jump back to message 1. So we've got to call this now, so we just call it as message. So this is what I'm calling here, so we're going to start from here. I'm just going to open up my terminal. Okay, I'm just going to expand it a little bit like that. I'm not going to increase the font too much because you'll be able to see what's happening anyway on the screen. So type in Raku to run it, and the name of the program, so the program is called new.raku. Hit enter. Okay, there we go. I could have formatted it a little bit better, but never mind, you get the idea. So just going to sit back and have a coffee and watch this go on forever and ever and ever until I terminate the program. And on that note, I'm going to finish the video, so I will catch you in another video. Thank you very much for stopping by, and have a good one. Bye-bye.